This is not a normal gaming laptop. The MSI Titan 18HX is the kind of machine that looks like it escaped from a desktop setup and decided to become portable. With an RTX 5090, a 4K mini LED screen, Thunderbolt 5, and up to 270 watts of power, this thing is built for people who want no excuses, no slowdown, and no compromise. The Titan 18HX is MSI's full-size monster, and every part of it feels serious. It comes with Intel Core Ultra 9285HX or 290HX Plus, paired with the RTX 5090 with 24 GB of GDDR7 memory. MSI's Overboost. Ultra pushes the combined CPU and GPU power envelope to 270 watts, which is one big reason this laptop is so extreme. Performance is the first thing people notice. Reviews describe it as a desktop replacement, a mobile desktop, and even a monolith of mobile computing. That makes sense because this machine is not trying to be slim or quiet. It is trying to be fast, very fast. It is built for heavy gaming, creator work, and AI tasks that would make most laptops back off. The display is another headline feature. The 4K mini LED panel gets a lot of praise for its sharp image, strong contrast, and premium look. In several reviews, the screen is called one of the biggest wins of the Titan, and many users say it beats OLED monitors in real-world use. If you care about visuals, this is one of the main reasons to look at this laptop. Storage is also wild. The Titan can come with a triple SSD setup, including a PCIe Gen 5 drive, and some versions offer up to 6 terabytes of storage. MSI's Super RAID 5 design can reach speeds up to 18,000 megabytes per second, which means large games, video files, and project folders load very quickly. For creators and power users, that is a major advantage. AI is where the Titan gets even more interesting. SMB Tech says it has around 700 TOPS of AI compute power, which helps it stand out in the new AI PC race. That also means it can run small language models locally, which is a huge deal for users who want more on-device AI work without always depending on the cloud. The design is bold and heavy. MSI uses a Thixomolded magnesium aluminum alloy chassis, so the body is made to feel strong and premium. The Dragon Edition Norse myth takes that even further with metal etching, Norse runes, and a dragon totem in a glass palm rest. It looks like a machine made for collectors as much as for gamers. But this power comes with trade-offs. Reviews mention loud fans, a touchy trackpad, and a chassis that is very heavy. Some users also point out sharp edges that can dig into the arms, and a few panels do not include G-Sync. Battery life is another weak point, with owners reporting around 60 to 90 minutes in real use. This is not a laptop for long unplugged sessions. Still, the Titan keeps winning because it delivers where it matters. Laptop Mag says it beats the Asus ROG Strix-Scar 18 on display and keyboard quality, while Asus wins on price and portability. Notebook Check's collection of scores also shows the same pattern. Very strong performance and display results, but a weaker score on price. That tells the whole story in one line. This laptop is expensive, but it is built to dominate. If you want a machine that feels like a true mobile powerhouse, the MSI Titan 18HX is exactly that. It is loud, huge, expensive, and not for casual users. But for people who want the biggest screen, the strongest hardware, and a laptop that behaves more like a desktop replacement, it is one of the most extreme options out there. The MSI Titan 18HX proves that laptops can still surprise us when brands go all in on power. It is bold, heavy, expensive, and made for serious users who want the best of everything. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable insights. Stay ahead with the Pulse of Tech.